Hey, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I want to take a quick minute and shoot over that video. So I'm going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting on those top spots of the Google search page and what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. So the first thing that I want to talk about is content. So when someone searches for painting contractors Tampa, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for keywords and what your site should be found for, like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. I'm looking at your site here. It looks great. I love the photo at the top. It doesn't have a whole lot of content though. And one thing I can tell you about Google is they love content. They like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, using those keywords about 10 to 15 times. It's really going to make a difference in you being found. So we can go and when we go and do a Google search for painting contractor Tampa, Florida. This is called the map pack. So all of these companies have what's called a Google My Business page or a GMB. So that's super important to have. It helps you rank and get to the top of this listing. Because all of these companies, they're super easy to find. So you don't have to scroll to the next page and go through all of those listings in order to be found. So all of these guys are probably getting the most phone calls. And then when you scroll down a little bit further, this is what's called the organic listing. So you really want to be on the first page of this as well. Again, ideally in those top 3 positions. So let's go take a look at this guy's website that's listed as number 1. So we look at his website. It looks okay. It has a little bit of content, but not nearly enough. I can tell you right off the bat, he has nowhere near 1,500 words. So he would be super easy to beat out content-wise. But obviously there's some other things that go into it as well. So I use this program called Ahrefs. And it basically analyzes a website and lets you know what's going on the back end so you can see what you're up against and what you need to do to beat out those competitors. So this is called a UR rating and a DR rating. These numbers are super important according to Google. This is how they're going to rank your website. The UR rating is how trustworthy your site is, and the DR rating is how powerful it is. And these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. So you're probably wondering what the heck a backlink is. A backlink is any website article or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google basically sees it as a popularity contest. So the more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google sees your site as being powerful and trustworthy, and they're going to kick it up to the top of their rankings. So they have over 1,000 backlinks coming from 129 referring domains, and 84 of those domains are powerful sites. So you want to make sure that when you're grabbing backlinks, you're not getting anything from any spammy sites. You want to make sure it's relevant to your scope of work and the services that you provide. So they also have over 2,000 keywords. So that makes them have over 1,000 people that are finding their website per month. Let's look and see what some of their keywords are. So a lot of these are national keywords. So you really want to try and grab those local keywords so you can beat them out locally. So Painters Tampa is getting 400 searches a month. Tampa Painters, 150 searches a month. Painter Tampa, 90 searches a month. Painting Tampa, Florida, 100 a month. So those are some high search volumes for these local keywords. So that's part of the reason why they're in the number 1 ranking, combined with the backlinks that they have. So when we go and put your website in here, it doesn't look like you're coming up on the UR and DR rating at all. You do have 5 backlinks coming from 3 referring domains. You only have 1 keyword and nobody is finding you at all. But that's easily fixed. Like I said, if you can add that 1,500 words of content on your homepage using those specific keywords we talked about and grab some powerful backlinks, I think you'd be in really good shape and you could beat out those competitors online pretty easily. I hope you found this helpful and can implement some of these strategies. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a great night.